Hello, my name is Jared Ellis, and this is my demo for my progress so far on my Minecraft mod I've been building. So let's talk a little bit about what we've done so far. We have pretty much generated this nice little bundle of files here. We got some folders and whatnot. Bing, bam, boom. We got some great old stuff going on. I don't understand what half this stuff is, honestly, but that's okay. So this is um, the main Java file for this program here. So this is kind of like the main, well, this is the main of the mod. So we got initializer here, which is what is basically saying, hey, this is the contents of the mod. And we got a bunch of stuff down here. Don't really know what any of this stuff does yet, but that's fine. So let's jump on over to this file right here, because this one I can actually describe a little bit about. So this is initializing every item that's registered in the mod. So we have a generic, so there's a lot of complicated stuff about registers. It'd take a while to explain it all, but basically you have to register an item in a mod, and then that way the game knows that that item exists. So we're registering each object, which is an item, and then we're registering the item itself, and then we have some things we're defining here. We're defining some of the base properties of it, and then we're defining where you can find it, which is in this tab in creative mode. Then down here, this creates a new tab for the mod for creative mode. And then we got, let's jump over to resources. So over here to quickly describe what these are. So this file right here, en_us.json, is basically kind of like saying, hey, this is the name of this item in this language. And so we're saying in English, in the US English language, this is the name of that item. Then under here in models, we're defining the model for each item. Since they're just a 2D image, then we're basically saying the model is the image. Then down here, we're describing the image itself. So let's run this real quick and let's see what the mod's looking like so far. It's gonna take a second. Compiling, and there we go, compiled, and we are now loading the game. Just thinking about it. Here we go. So let's jump into our little test world I've created here to see our items. And I've already got them in my inventory here equipped, so we can kind of take a glance at them. So here we go. So the first item in the mod of the grape mod, we have a grape. Boom. Doesn't really do anything right now, but it's a grape. Then we have the second item here added by the mod, the grape of wrath. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. We got a lemon. Very nice, very nice. And we've got a lemonade, which all these items I've yet to really define what they're actual, like what they are yet. They're just an item, but we're gonna work on that next. So we have here the top tab, the grape mod items tab. We can see here we have grape, lemon, grape of wrath, and lemonade. Very cool. So to kind of quickly talk about what's moving forward with this mod here. Oh my gosh, audio freaking. Jeez. Okay. So to talk about what we're going to be doing more with this mod here in the future. So first thing here is the grape. There's going to be an ore block, which I'm going to add called the grape ore, which you can find underground. You mine it, and then you find grapes. There will be probably like a 1 in 50 chance or 1 in 100 chance it'll drop a grape of wrath. And basically that's going to be kind of like a poison potato or type of item, which you can use for brewing. Potions. Lemon will be another food item, which you can find in lemon ore. If you bite it, I want to make it to where it takes off like half a heart of health, just because it's sour, And then we'll have lemonade, which will be a consumable item as well. And that will be made by combining a glass bottle of water with a thing of sugar and a lemon. And there you go. And that's pretty much everything in the mod right now. So yeah, stay tuned for future updates.